So this one here is command injection into Windows. So if you go here, hopefully you know your MS-DOS commands or modern Windows command injection. It's dir to see a list of files, and you can make a subdirectory and change into it. And you can make a file the same way you would in Linux. You can echo something greater than redirects the data into a file. And you can do directory traversal with ... to go to the file above you. So these are the same, very much the same as Linux, but the commands are different. The main one being dir is different. So anyway, here is I'm running a Windows server, and you can get a directory, and this will list the files in a directory. So if you give it a ... that's the current directory. And when you hit show contents, here it does executing dir, showing you the files. And this is running a spectacularly insecure web server on Windows called XAMPP. Anyway, so here I am. I can execute that, and I was only supposed to be able to give it the name of a directory, but I can use an ampersand to add another command on the same line. So if I put that in, and who am I, and show contents, then I get the files, and then I see that I'm in fact running as the administrator. So unlike the Linux system, you actually have administrator rights on this server. So as you can imagine, this server gets trashed a lot. And you can now echo something into a file, into a folder called uploads. So here's how you can actually run a command and get the replies from it. If you go here, this will echo hello into a file called hello.htm in the uploads folder. So it presumably did that, but there's no output in here. And you can see the contents here at the server in uploads. That should put a hello in this file. And it did put a hello in this file. So this means you can run commands and see the output right away, or you can run commands and put them in a file and view it or download it. So again, there are some flags to find on the server. And you can practice injection into a Windows command line environment, as well as a Linux command line environment. All right.